What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. And I want to share something with you about my Bradley mower. It's very important that you listen to what I have to say. So fam, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, just put some comments down. Let me know you're listening so I'll know what to do. If you got anything that you want to suggest that I talk about, please leave it in the description. So check it. Right to what I was saying about my Bradley mower. Everyone know that I'm kind of like a Bradley endorser. A lot of people give me a call, ask me, hey, what you feel about the mower. I'm trying to be honest and frank with you about the mower, that I like the mower. I had a situation too. Here's the situation. Basically, my 48-inch mower, man, I had to see what was wrong with it. And you know, anytime you're taking a mower that does not have a dealer in your location, it can be kind of flaky. The engine was not giving, it just wasn't giving enough go, man. It wasn't giving enough horsepower. So basically, I troubleshooted it and found out it was a coil that was wrong with the doggone thing. So I took it into my snapper dealer because they are a Briggs endorser. So they use the Briggs and they're a certified dealer. So I took it in. They supposedly had fixed the doggone thing one time. So took it in, took them some time to fix it. They said they fixed it. Then got it back a couple of months later. I wind up using the doggone thing. It was doing the exact same thing. Hey fam, this is Butch. He does delivery for the Bradley mower. Now Butch, where are you from?
Bradley, Illinois.
Bradley, Illinois. Where we are in Conyers, Georgia. How long was the trip?
About 14 hours.
About
13 hours.
14 to 13 hours. What I'm saying, y'all, is that I had an issue with my mower. They gave me a special delivery to my house, 14 hours away. You cannot get that from another dealer. I want you to know that they did that for me. And I'm pretty sure I ain't the only guy, because ain't nothing special about me. So we got the other mower, turning it into them. They're gonna take this one. When we gonna take this one, they're gonna get that one. basic, fam, what I'm getting at right now, that Bradley Mower stands behind their products. So they off. He's going back to Illinois 14 hours away. Man, I got mad respect for Chris, Bradley Mower, standing behind their product. I had a warrant. So fam, if I didn't explain it well, so it wasn't the fault of Bradley, it was the engine. The coil on the engine was really bad and we couldn't get our power that we needed. So we took it to a dealer. The dealer down here, Snapper dealer, was a Briggs certified dealer to deal with the engines. They supposedly fixed it. They got a new coil from Briggs, put it on. It was good for a little while. We didn't really use the mower a lot. So basically, when we went back to use it again, it did the same exact thing. Did not have the power when it was trying to cut and go up a hill. And we called Bradley, Chris, both times, said, hey, don't worry about it. We got you. If it doesn't work, we'll send you a new one. Man, we worked those things out. I couldn't find a place where they would put the or crate the mower so they can get it back to them safely. Well, since they couldn't do that, they said, you know what? But they said, listen, don't worry about it. If they can't, we'll bring you another one. And guess what? Actions speak louder than words. You just saw us get that new mower, and shout outs to Bradley Mower. I'm gonna purchase another one for I'm gonna purchase another one. Just know that if I'm getting that type of service, best believe I'm getting me another one. I'll get a 36-inch sometime this year, God willing, and I'll unbox it for you so you know actions speak louder than words. All right, fam. Hope you enjoyed this, because I sure certainly did. Cut on Lawn Care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.